Hello, it's Meadalite, and I am here to open my next box from Back to Earth Creations. Yay! First, I have this lovely crystal grid. I do crystal Reiki, and it is currently occupying my space, so I'm going to put this away, and then we will open up our box. I do custom crystal Reiki grids for my Reiki sessions, so if you are interested in having one for you, this loveliness was for a client of mine that I was working with. You can check out my website, which is going to be in the description. I'll quickly give you a rundown of what all of these lovely crystals are. This middle one is apophyllite, and these are goldstone around it, then blue agate and amethyst around here. Then we have garnets, the little teeny ones, and then black tourmaline between those. And then on the outside we have chrysocolla interspersed with rainbow fluorite. And all of these are for healing stress and all that good stuff. And in the background you can hear my husband playing with his guitar again. Let me put all of these guys away and I will be right back. Alright, let's get to it. Let's open this and let's do it the right way this time. I think I have these silly boxes figured out. And if I have it correct, I just turn it this way and lift up this flap. Yes! I got it! It did not fool me this time. For the tape. Stuck. Ooh, we have a lot of rings. Oh my goodness. This is a lot of rings. Okay. We have 1/4 inch, 16 gauge rings. Let's see, we have, ooh, that's neat. There's some little like clock charms and earring hookies. Oh my gosh, I can't believe the amount of rings in this box. I don't know what I'm gonna make. I still haven't made anything really with the other ones. More 16 gauge 1/4 inch, so that's 2 bags of those. 16 gauge 3/16. 16 gauge 5/16. Okay, another bag of 16 gauge 3/16. So we got 2 bags of those. 16 gauge 5/16, another bag of those. So we have 2 bags of each one so far. Let's see. This is 16 gauge 5/16, so another bag of those. So that makes 3 of those. And another 16 gauge 5/16. So we have 4 bags of 5/16. 2 bags of 3/16 and 2 bags of 1/4 inch. And then we also have this little bag of little leaf bezels, it looks like. Let me open this. I need to see what these are. There's some jump rings in there. Okay, they're like, yeah, like little leaf charms or bezels. No, it looks like they're charms, okay. Those are really pretty. There's 2 of those. With some more earring hooks and 2 little jump rings. Just like those could be earrings all by themselves, but you know, I don't play that way, so I gotta make them into something. And then we have a note in here. We have a note. I'll read that last, I guess, since it was in the bottom. Let's open up our little magic bag here. See what we got for cabs this time. Get rid of this box. Alright, we got, this looks like maybe jasper or agate, maybe, possibly. There we go, in the light. It's pretty. Ooh, this one's really pretty. This is a Yvonne Williams cab there. You can see that. It's like super pretty. Put it more in the light. Pretty. And then we got the green and blue and silver cab
You can
there.
have music in the background.
Yeah, it doesn't matter. I'll edit it out.
Oh, you're gonna edit all audio out?
No, I'll edit the, I can just put my own music on the background. You
Yeah,
won't
if you
hear
hear
it.
that at all, it'll copyright strike you.
Well, I don't even have monetized yet, so. Copyright strikes mean nothing to me. Yeah, it's a nice little haul. I've been thinking about changing my box to wire wrapping only because I like the chainmail stuff, but I really don't know what to do with it. Okay, let's see. This is our letter. I'll read it real quick. Hey, happy crafters. Can you all believe it's October already? Fall is here to stay in our neck of the woods, and I want to thank each of you for your support here on Patreon. You are literally keeping us warm and fed. With your support, we were able to get the furnace up and running and are back on track to keep chugging along through the winter. I'm really excited to share with y'all this month's craft along kits, some gemstone cabochons, in addition to the handmade clay and resin cabs. I look forward to seeing what y'all make, and be sure to tag me on Instagram or post pictures to the Discord channel. Videos for crafting along are coming soon to YouTube, and I'll be posting links on Patreon as soon as they are live. Thank you for everything, Randy Vaughn and Furred and Feathered Babes. So yeah, we supporting the arts and getting to make our own. Again, if you are interested in becoming a supporter for Yvonne on her Patreon, I will leave links in the description. Move that guy off of there. And I am going to try to figure out what in the heck I'm going to make with all of these chainmail links. Something. I'm going to make something. I guess this is just testing me to see if I can do the chainmail thing. I like chainmail, I really do. I love the way it looks. I've always been interested in doing it myself. But once I actually started doing it, I quickly learned that it's very repetitive. I love wire wrapping because, you know, everything can be so completely different every single time. But with chainmail, it's, well, you get what you get. You get chainmail. And I like buying it. I don't have as much patience to sit and link all of these little rings together. Most of it is opening them. Opening all of the links and then closing them. I'm still not very good at closing them. I don't know. I guess this is getting me out of my comfort zone, which is why I subscribed to Dealer's Choice. I knew it was a big chance that I would end up with a lot of chainmail supplies, and I did, which is fine. It's cool. I can make stuff now. But like I said, I am going to make stuff, definitely, I'll post it on I'll put it up in my Etsy shop. Maybe I'll make some bracelets and stuff. But yeah, I like it. I will do something with it. And I'll bring you guys along with me on my chainmail making adventure. I have some new videos that new crafting things that I'm going to make a video on. Let me show you one. It's kind of a sneak peek. I think this will be in my near future, and I'll be putting one up on my Etsy shop. This is a little box that I made. And then I made a little bottle to go in the box. This is going to be filled with moon water. I charge the water from the creek behind my house, which is actually Mount Scott Creek, if you know anything about Oregon. And I'm going to be corking it, waxing it, and then it will go in the bottle. Or in the box, rather. It's perfectly in there. I'm going to line the box. I haven't finished that part yet. But it matches. And it will have moon water from the full moon charged and be in my Etsy shop. So if you're interested, I will make a tutorial on how I did these. And be making them for sale. Alright folks, well, it's been lovely. We have some nice stuff in our box. Can't wait for next month's box as well. And until next time, have a great journey. I think I am going to be doing some shopping videos around Portland, because I live here, and they've got some really cool stuff, so I think that's what I'm going to be filming, maybe between my last unboxing and before I put this one, so you'll see my you'll see my shopping video before I ever put this one out, but I will. That's how I roll. Alright guys, have a great journey, and I will see y'all later. Bye.